Welcome to my channel, and before we start, please click subscribe, or you can also donate to support us. Hello guys, in this video I will show you what to do before reapply on YouTube. You can reapply to join the YouTube Partner Program in 1 day on 9 April 2019. 1 day on 9 April 2019. Now in my place is 10 April 2019 and the time is 2:58 AM. This is the first what to do before reapplying on YouTube. First, check all video and delete copyright and age restricted video. Second, after all video check, then check copyright status. Is there copy strike or not? On the next day, the reapply button is appear. And now the time is 4:41 AM. After check all video and check copyright status, and now click reapply button. As you can see, my channel under review with 4,462 watch hour and 1,154 subscribers. That is what to do before reapply on YouTube. See you in the next video, and please click subscribe, or you can also donate to support us. See you.